No, you heard. Who told you? Yeah, I did. I finally proposed. I just couldn't wait anymore, you know? I just felt ready, so I thought, why wait any longer? Well, not exactly, but he'll come around to it. We've been together 4 years now in May, so it just made sense. We're headed back home to my house tomorrow. Daddy's got a job waiting for Ryan, my new fiance. Sorry, I just can't get over this. I love the ring. I bought it myself. Hey. Oh, it's funny again. So, could you not mention to Daddy that I proposed and we're getting married? I haven't gotten around to telling him yet.
Courtney, pull over the car.
And while we're on the topic of our upcoming wedding, what would you think if we kept my last name?
Courtney, please pull the car over.
Nelson's great and all, it's just so...
Courtney, pull over the car!
What the fuck, Ryan? What the fuck was that?
Shut up for just 1 second.
You could have killed us.
Can't you be quiet for 1 goddamn minute?
I swear to God, if there's a scratch on my car, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
God damn it, Courtney, shut up! Shut up! Fuck! 1 minute! That's all I ask for is 1 minute so I can explain myself. And you can't even give me that.